2025 is wild, isn't it? We've got AI making money, UPI everywhere, influencers showing luxury on every scroll, and somehow, we still feel broke. But what if this year, you challenge yourself for just 60 days to fix your money life? No gimmicks, no complicated finance talk. Just 10 real-life money challenges that will reset your mindset, your savings, and your habits permanently. Challenge number 1. The track every rupee. For the next 60 days, track every single rupee you spend, every one. Because awareness is power. Use an app, a notes file, or even paper, doesn't matter. When you start seeing where your money actually goes, you'll realize most of your money problems were just attention problems. Tip: use AI-powered finance trackers like Walnut, Money Manager, or Notion templates. They'll do the math, you do the mindset. Challenge number 2, the no-spend weekend challenge. Every weekend, pick one, where you spend absolutely nothing. No online shopping, no coffee runs, no impulsive Zomato orders. Instead, cook, walk, read, journal, watch sunsets. Because money isn't just about saving, it's about control. When you can say no to a 200 rupee craving, you can say yes to a 20 lakh rupee dream. Challenge number 3, the investment acceleration. For 60 days, commit to increasing your monthly investment by 10 to 20%. That might mean one less luxury, but it also means one step closer to financial independence. Because 2025 isn't about working harder, it's about letting your money work smarter. Tip: automate your SIPs. Let compounding do the lifting while you focus on earning more. Challenge number 4, the debt detox. List every debt you have: credit cards, EMIs, buy now, pay later. Now pick one, the smallest, and crush it first. Why? Because small wins build momentum. Once you clear one, you'll feel unstoppable. In 2025, the new luxury is being debt-free, not driving a car bought on EMI. Challenge number 5, the index fund experiment. Start a small SEP in an index fund. Even 500 rupees. Don't overthink. Don't chase hype. Just test what it feels like to become an investor. Because the only difference between the rich and the average is that the rich own assets, not liabilities. Tip: use apps like Grow, Zerodha, or Kavera. Challenge number 6, the financial ratios check. Take 1 hour this weekend and audit your life. Ask yourself, how much do I earn versus how much I save? What % of my income goes into assets? How much emergency fund do I have? If you don't know the numbers, you're driving blind. 2025 is the year to take your finances off autopilot and fly it yourself. Challenge number 7, the automate everything. Set all your savings and investments to auto-transfer right after payday. Because discipline fails. Systems don't. Once your money moves automatically, you remove emotion from the equation, and success becomes predictable. Challenge number 8, the diversify beyond comfort. Learn about one new asset class, like REITs, gold ETFs, or US stocks. The goal isn't to invest in everything, it's to understand how the rich think. Curiosity compounds faster than money, and in 2025, global exposure isn't luxury, it's survival. Challenge number 9, the declutter and sell. Look around your room. See those unused gadgets, clothes, or shoes? Sell them. Every unused thing in your home is trapped money. Free it. Decluttering clears space not just physically, but mentally. When you value what you already have, money starts to respect you back. Challenge number 10, the mini retirement plan. Imagine if you had to retire in 10 years. What would your life need to look like? Do the math. What's your monthly expense? Multiply it by 12, then by 25. That's your FIRE number. Now reverse engineer your life to reach it. Because dreaming without planning is fantasy, but planning is the first step to freedom. What is the conclusion? Don't try to do all 10 in one go. Pick one, start small, and build consistency. You'll be shocked how much can change in just 60 days of awareness. Because in 2025, money isn't about how much you earn. It's about how consciously you live. Your habits are your real assets. So let's make this the year you build wealth. Not for show, but for peace. In a world chasing flex, be the one chasing freedom.